Eh? How am I going to untangle you, you bloke? Because you're going back. And you're just making more of a mess. Can you just help me? Come on, open your mouth. You're right. You're just about to go over my line. Stop. Stop. I'll get it off your tail, man, and we'll let you go back. Here you go. Here he goes. Righto, so I've got one rod in, so I've just got one. I'm tangled, we're tangled up. Yeah, tangled up. You free? Yeah, I'll get there. This is us this morning. Right here. So we're going on a little adventure down to Chindra, Tweed River. We're going to put the kayaks in down here. I'll give you a little look, just checking it out now. Awesome. So last time we did this, Mark did a bit of forward driving in his kayak and did a little whoopsie round the corner. Oh, share the good and bad. Should have seen Stuart the other day. That'll be in my previous video. Gorgeous little spot. Bit of debris here. Eh? Yeah. The start of the day, hooked up to a guy had a livey out under the bridge, and I hooked on it and he thought he had a fish. Took me a little while to get his attention, let him realise it wasn't a fish, it was me, so he could release the line so I could unhook him off the fire. But all good, we're on our way now. Look at this. Woo! Pretty. First one, what have we got? Get the net ready. Bloody Oh, another fatty. Here he is. Houses up there. Go again. Oh, I lost him.
Did you get another one?
Yeah, it was a little brim.
Not big enough.
No, he jumped off the hook straight up. So where in the bushes did you get wide?
Over there somewhere.
Just over here somewhere. Let's see what we got here, eh? Attention on the fish. What have you got here? You've got a brim bait. Pulled it out of his gob.
Oh, you missed that?
Yeah, it was, I was actually just winding in and he just, bang.
Really?
Yeah, just a little brim.
How can that be? I'm using the same lures as you and you get all the smashes. You must have the guru technique.
I might have my what?
You must be the guru. The lure guru.
So you went into the reeds, you had a flathead on the line, you had the motor.
Would have been on Funniest Home Videos. How to lose a fish easily.
A bit of wind on the way back. And we're nearly out of battery power. You can hear the motor. It's been fun though. I got a couple of keepers, let a few go, Mark let a few go. So, oh, awesome way to start a day. Love this stuff. Did you lose a bit of power on the way home? Mate, my battery's nearly flat.
Didn't think I was going to make it. I thought I'd have to paddle.
At least we're going with the tide. Time to go home.
And that Rama's
So
put
some
the
Saints
longboard in
footy.
those younger players and Isaac Smith and really help them. So yeah, we've
And
got to the round run. It's a transition. Really fundamentally.
fish for dinner. A couple of good sized ones actually. I didn't know how big they were until I got home. This is Lily and I at the jumping fish bar on the inside. And Lily reckons